Welcome back to our channel, Tech World everybody. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can reset your Instagram Explorer page. By reset I mean let's say you wanted to entirely convert your Instagram's Explorer page. So let's say you get a lot of food related things on your Explore page. So I'm going to be showing you what Explore page is first. Sort of go to your Explore page in Instagram, click on the search icon. So this is your Explore page. So let's say you don't want to see the picture of all this like boys, girls, and you don't want to see picture addresses. So by the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can reset your Explore page in Instagram. Alright, but before that, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech World, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on, and remember this: if you reset your Explore page, it's not going to be resetted in a single day. You need to do some actions for a week or so, and Instagram's algorithm is slowly going to start changing it, so it's going to be a slow process, but it's going to work. So the first thing you need to do is click on search at the top, click on see all, click on clear all, click on clear all. What this is going to do is this is going to delete all your search history in Instagram. So this is the first step you need to do, and the second step you need to do is go on the post individually and do action. So I don't like to see posts of girls. I can click on the post, click on the three dots at the top, click on see if your posts like this. The Instagram algorithm is going to think I hate posts like this. So let's say I hate posts like this as well. I can click on the three dots, click on see if your posts like this. Instagram will try to show me less of these kinds of content. So I don't like food. Okay, click on three dots, click on see if your post. Instagram will think I don't like food that much. So you can just do this action, and once you see something good, so I like to see things like this, I can double tap and like on it, and Instagram algorithm is going to think alright, I like this kind of content. So I'll start to promote these kinds of content more. So let's say I don't like this, I can click three dots if your post. Let's say I like this, I can like it. Let's say I like this, I can like it just like this. Instagram will start showing me the things which I like most, so it's going to take a week in order for your Explore page to reset completely. It's going to be a slow process. So keep that in mind. Alright, so hope you guys understand this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.